Hi all, so this is June's Craftiosity box. So should we have a look and see what's in it? As usual, I just want to say that I pay for these are boxes I'm interested in and like, and I'm not affiliated with anyone and all that jazz. Let's just get it open. Obviously they give hints and things, show you what's coming in the box. I already know what's coming in the box, but it's still fun to see. This is a pretty card, look at that. And the usual stuff. So here's our instructions. So it says it's included 4 mini wooden houses, 4 wooden beads, a wooden baton, blue and white paints, white paint pen, paintbrush, house templates, translucent sheet, blue thread, colour may vary from photos. Okay, and it says what we'll also need is a ruler, pencil, scissors, kit roll, paper or a plate to mix paints on, which I have because I do painting anyway. So we'll open that in a minute, let's see what else is in here. So these are our little houses. Oh look, they're all different sizes. Is it? 2 of each size. Looks to be, let's have a look here, 2 of each size. So they're quite thick, which is quite cool. And they have the things already in at the top, so it's going to be quite cute to paint, I think. I mean, it's not a bad size, is it? Look at that. And, okay, so these are blue and white paints. Oh, Royal Annexer. This is not bad paint. So acrylic paint, obviously. But this isn't a bad brand. I've used them before. So, shake well before use, non-toxic, permanent, high quality acrylic paint, ideal for paper, canvas, fabrics, metal, ceramics, leather, wood, etc. Soap and water clean up when wet. Nice and simple. So let's have a look what's in here, shall we? Now it's partly see-through, so we can see what most of it's about. Okay, so we've got our rod to hang it on. And this is our pencil. Another gold line, number 4. I said pencil, didn't I? Paintbrush. I am not quite awake, I am sorry. But, there you go. This is our paint pen. I've always wanted to try out a paint pen, but I've never actually had one, so this is going to be really quite cool. So, acrylic paint, shake well before use, plus colour is the brand from the looks of it, from Creo, and it's off-white. But it's going to be interesting. Looks like it comes with a spare thing, or whether you pop that in, I don't know. I've never actually used these, so we'll find out when we open it anyway. Okay, so we've got 3 ends here, 3 different beads. Is there 4? Nope, those are 4. There we go. There we go. So we pop them on the string that goes on here. So they're quite pretty. They've left them plain, but I might be tempted to paint them. We'll have to wait and see. And then, of course, the thread to hang them with, which is actually really nice embroidery thread. It's really soft. So, it's not a bad set, is it? I quite like it. Put these back in so we don't lose them. Pop everything back in so we don't lose anything while I... Oh, I forgot to put the paint pen back in. There we go, it can go there. So I think that's going to be really nice. Did you see what we're going to be making? It's that there, look. Which I think is really cool. So I look forward to making that. You will be seeing me do this and the other craft boxes on my channel. I just haven't got around to it, but I plan on doing some this weekend, so hopefully you'll see some soon. The only one you probably won't see is the first one I had with the iron on, because my iron board's huge and someone else usually has to do the ironing for me. So I don't do that one. But you'll see the ones that I can do under camera here, quite simply. So look forward to seeing this one and the copper leaf tray thing at some point. So I'll see you all soon. You take care. Bye.